Cam chain noise. Now listen carefully. This is called cam chain or timing chain noise. It comes from the clutch side of the engine. The reasons for the cam chain noise may be cam chain tensioner is fitted with the push rod in a fully outward position. This will lead to a cam chain rubbing noise. The chain tensioner should always be fitted with push rod in pre-assembled condition, and then it should be released. Loose cam chain also makes a hitting noise. This may be due to the plunger of the cam chain tensioner being stuck. The push rod should push the chain guide forward constantly. Deeply scored cam chain guide. Replace the chain guides as a set. Worn-out cam sprocket teeth can also cause the noise. Inspect the cam sprocket and measure its diameter. The standard limit and the service limit for the cam sprocket diameter are as shown. If found less than specified, replace it. Worn-out cam chain rollers elongate the chain and can cause noise. Measure the cam chain length for 20 links. The standard limit and the service limit for the cam chain are as shown. If found less than specified, replace the cam chain and both guides as a set.